Oh, God. All right, well, I'm going to ask Gordon Ramsay which one tastes better and be brutally honest. This is $400 chocolate I bought off the internet, and this is my chocolate bars. To be fair, my chocolate's like a couple bucks, so if he does say it's better, that's not on me. Why did I do this? What do you think?
Very good.
It's dark chocolate, only 5 ingredients.
That's good.
Oh, God. All right, well, I'm fighting a losing battle here. Which is better? My chocolate bar or the one that costs 100 times more?
Definitely yours.
Oh, really?
It's second.